KSPR-TV. Enjoy the Festival of Lights and consumers' quality, variety, and value, especially for the holidays. It's candy making time. Food Club powdered or brown sugar, 79 cents. We have Imperial margarine, Baker's chips or coconut, and 2 for $1 marshmallow cream. From our fresh departments, bone-in whole hams, 99 cents a pound. Bananas, 3 pounds for $1. And holiday perfect gift baskets.
Consumers, our promise, freshness.
Under the law, accident victims have distinctive rights to receive compensation for their losses. To protect your rights, call the law firm of Corbett & Associates today at 889-2424.
Matlock, 5 times a week.
Your life's in danger.
Betrayal, lies.
She needs you desperately, Mr. Matlock.
Passion, conflict.
We were lovers. Adam paid for my apartment, my clothes, and my car. Yes. I was his mistress.
And you didn't want that.
Watch Matlock, weekday mornings at 11 on KSPR-TV. We're here for you.
News Team 33, we're here for you.
PFI's new, bigger, and better fall catalog is here.
Price is lower than a Bassett's belly.
Take a look.
Wow!
That's just for starters. Haven't received your PFI catalog? Call us or stop by. It's free.
Free.
PFI's new fall catalog. Cover to cover, it's our best looks for fall, and I'm not kidding.
I've got a secret. One of these is full of real live birds. The other's a Hitachi Ultravision TV. And thanks to Ultravision's ultra-clear, ultra-sharp, ultra-bright picture, you probably can't tell which is which. Is the suspense killing you? Okay, I'll show you. Ta-da! Hello.
Come and see us at Ted's TV Center, West Atlantic at Branson, West Commercial in Springfield.
News Team 33, we're here for you.